Yep.
Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, western Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:36 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fort Atkinson to 7 miles north of Sullivan, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Mucklenago, Delafield, East Troy, Wales, Oconee Lake, Oconomowoc, Ottawa, Dousman, North Prairie, Palmyra, Lac La Belle, Potter Lake, Lake Koshkonong, Axonia, Rome, LaGrange, and Eagle. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Ottawa Lake Recreation Area and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noah's Weather Radio, KZV 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.
It's raining.
This station will broadcast severe weather on Torrance, Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Stevenson, and Lee counties in Illinois, as well as Rock and Greene counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcast.